our current situation. Dogs are eating. Oh! Oh, you're alright. Brush it off. Marley. Big day tomorrow, and God said, let there be a foot of snow. Thank you, God. But we did our work. We did it. We did our work for the day.
Look at that thing. It's just like launching it.
Look at Jackson. Jackson, do you like the snow? What do you think by the look of his face? I don't think so. He's not a fan. Marley's a fan. Right, Marley? Are you a fan? Yep, he's a fan. Jace is not a fan. You hear the truck? Throw the snow for Marley. He'll eat it. You did a pretty good job. Pretty cleared out. Pretty good, pretty good. Now that that work's done, time to eat something for lunch and relax. Marley's still going. Look at him.